The 2024 Ford F-150 Tremor is a purpose-built off-roading vehicle that retains all the practicality and functionality of the F-150 while catering to the needs of customers who demand rugged off-road performance. Ford's engineers and designers took inspiration from observing how customers use their trucks in a variety of challenging environments, from cornfields to rocky trails. One of the exciting new features for 2024 is the optional modular front bumper, available in a striking combination of tarnished dark anodized and carbon black colors. This aggressive front-end styling not only enhances the Tremor's appearance but also offers practical benefits. It allows for the easy installation of accessories, opening up a world of customization options and increased off-road capability. To further enhance visibility during off-road adventures, you can opt for a specially designed light bar. For those seeking even more capability, Ford offers a dealer-installed Ford Performance Winch Kit with a powerful Warn 12,000-pound winch, developed in collaboration with Ford Engineering. This kit also includes a brush guard for added protection. Ford's vehicle personalization team is actively working on expanding the range of accessories, providing even more ways for customers to personalize their Tremor. The front clip of the Tremor, encompassing all body panels from the side mirrors forward, has received a unique design treatment tailored specifically for this vehicle. It includes distinctive Tremor design elements such as the Tremor box side decal, a coast-to-coast grille adorned with Tremor active orange accents, and unique Tremor-style running boards. Even the interior details, such as accent stitching, decorative finishes, and floor mats, are crafted to reflect the Tremor's rugged and distinctive exterior design. The Ford F-150 Tremor is the result of Ford's commitment to delivering a truck that can handle the demanding lifestyles of off-roading enthusiasts. While it offers increased traditional off-roading capability compared to other F-150 models, it's important to note that it's not intended to be a full-fledged desert racer like the Raptor. Instead, it strikes a balance between off-road prowess and the practicality that F-150 owners expect. In summary, the 2024 Ford F-150 Tremor is a purpose-built off-roader designed to meet the needs of customers who want a truck that can handle tough terrain without sacrificing the functionality and versatility of the F-150 platform. It combines rugged styling with practical features to offer a unique and capable off-roading experience. That's all for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.